In a case involving an attack on a minor in UP, the Allahabad High Court has ruled that actions like grabbing breast or snapping a pajama string do not constitute rape or attempt to rape, but can be considered aggravated sexual assault, which is a comparatively lesser charge. In an order that has drawn sharp criticism and even calls for the Supreme Court's intervention, the Allahabad High Court draws a distinction between the preparation stage and actual attempt in case of rape allegations. In 2021, the minor, then 11 years of age, was attacked in UP's Kasganj by two men, Pawan and Akash, who allegedly grabbed her breast, tore her pajama string and tried to drag her under a culvert. She had been walking with her mother when they offered to drop her on their bike, as per the prosecution. Now, when passers-by heard the girl's screams, they came to her rescue and the two accused had fled the spot. Now, all right, my colleague Nupur is also now joining us on the broadcast here, getting us more about this case. Well, this really sounds very bizarre, Nupur. You know, this judgment or the observations that have been made by the Allahabad High Court in this matter, and we understand the Supreme Court, well, there are of course calls and Indra Jaising also tweeted about this, saying that the Supreme Court needs to take suo motu concern and action on this, in this matter.
Well, yes, today, in fact, there has been several sharp reactions in this particular High Court judgment, where it has, made these observations and has, in fact, watered down the charges against the accused and has removed the attempt to rape charge against them. So now, what is the main contention that is drawing such sharp reaction from people across the country is that the court has said that such acts which you defined, that is to disrobing a minor child, that is 11-year-old girl, and trying to and groping her inappropriately, if that is not taking her to a secluded area, if that is not an intention to rape or an attempt to rape, then what is? So this has in fact drawn a very sharp reaction from people, and in fact senior advocate Indra Jaising has in fact tweeted saying that the Supreme Court must take suo motu action. What the Supreme Court does or what the High Court does, that remains to be seen. But what message this particular judgment gives out is a bit concerning.